Uh, hello everyone. Today I will explain about situational language teaching. Okay, my co- uh, my colleague Teguh Nurul Barki and I will explain it with the video that you will watch. Okay, now start from. Okay, and the first is definition of situational language teaching. SLT is a language teaching approach that emphasizes teaching vocabulary and grammar through clear situational context. In other words, words and phrase are taught using real life or articulately created situations that resemble daily life. Okay, and the next is
Next is basic principle of SLT. The first, vocabulary and grammar. As the main focus, learning begin with introducing vocabulary and grammar structure relevant to a given situation. The second is use of real or created situation. Teacher create situation relevant to daily life to facilitate language comprehension. And the third, drilling and repetition. Next is teaching techniques in SLT. The first, presentation stage. The teacher introduces vocabulary and language structure within a clear context, such as using objects in the classroom. Practice stage. Student practice through drills, question and answer exercise and group activity. Production stage. Students use the language they have learned in conversation or role-playing activities. Next.
Example of SLT implementation in classroom. Number 1, the teacher use a map and point to location. Number 2, the teacher asks, "Where is the bank?" and provide an example answer. Number 3, student practice asking and answering in pairs of or groups. Number 4, student engage in a role play scenario where they ask for direction from a friend.
Next, advantage and disadvantage of SLT. Advantage, helps students understand language in a real life context, and the strengthens vocabulary and grammar through repetition. And the last, suitable for beginner level language learner. And disadvantage, less emphasis on spontaneous communication, does not focus much on natural speaking skills, and less flexible for advanced language learner.
Okay guys, thank you for watching this my video and jadi sebagai kesimpulannya, in conclusion, situational language teaching (SLT) is a language learning approach that emphasizes the use of language in real and contextual situations. This method focuses on mastering sentence patterns through repeated oral practice and understanding meaning based on the text of contained situation. By focusing on structural and situational aspect, SLT helps student develop communication skill naturally and gradually. In addition, the use of construct media, illustration, and interaction in the classroom enrich the learning experience so that students can more easily understand and apply the target language in everyday life. Although this method has limitation, especially in terms of creative use of language outside the context in which it has been taught. This approach remains a strong foundation in language learning. especially for beginner learners. By combining the SLT method with other more communicative approaches, teacher can create a more dynamic and effective learning environment. Ultimately, the success of language learning depends on how teachers adapt this method according to students' needs and how students are actively involved in the learning process. By understanding the principles of SLT, it is hoped that language teaching can become more focused, contextual, and meaningful for students. Oke, itu saja. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, guys. See you later.